What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the cabin air filter in a GMC Sierra. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these cabin air filters if you're in need. So the cabin air filter is going to be located behind the glove box. In order to get to it, we need to open the glove box. Now if we take a look on the left-hand side, we're going to see this dampening latch right here that my finger's on. What I'm going to do is get a finger on that. I'm going to use my thumb and I'm just going to pull it off like that. Now what we're going to do is press in on the glove box. There's two stops, one like this, one on each side. And it's easier if you do these both at the same time if you have both of your hands free. But I'm just doing one at a time, so I'm just going to push in and it allows that to come down and that stop to clear. I'll come over here and do the same thing, pull towards the center, and then it allows it to come down. And this is just sitting on the hinges. It'll come off like that. Then we can just set it down. Now let's take a closer look in here. This honeycomb shaped item right here is going to be the access door to the cabin filter. And there's a clip on the left-hand side that you need to get your finger around and pop like that. And then once you have that popped, what you need to do is slide this over to the left just a little bit and then it'll come off. Once we have that access door off, we can see our actual filter right here. And this filter doesn't need to be replaced yet. But one thing I want to point out is when you put your new filter in, make sure you're paying attention to the airflow arrow. You want your airflow going down towards the floor of the vehicle. Once you have your new filter installed, we can reverse everything we just did to close it up. So we'll grab the access door. And if you notice, there's a tab right here and right here. Those need to go in and fit behind these slots here and here. So that's kind of what we'll line up. Get it on there so it's sitting on there. And then once you have it in place, you'll just slide it over to the right. And then as you do that, this clip right here will snap on. It kind of all happens at the same time. Once you have the access door snapped back on, we can put our glove box back up. What you're going to do is just line those hinges up at the bottom with those notches. And then you can just pick it up. And when you push this past, when you push those stops back, it'll catch and then it'll stay up. And the last thing we need to do is come over to the left-hand side and reattach this dampening latch. So just need to get that lined up. Once you have it to the side of it, it'll just press on like that. And that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.